Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X6a and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find sounds and vibration. Now let's scroll down to find this ringtone section and tap on phone ringtone. Of course, give all the permissions if you want to. And as you can see, it is divided between two different SIM cards, which means that you can set totally different ringtone for the first one and totally different for another one, so it's up to you. Here we've got also some vibration options which are connected with the ringtone. You've got music on device, so you can enter your own files and set them as a ringtone. You've got also the video ringtones, and under it you've got the pre-installed ringtones from which you can choose, and at the very bottom of the list the option none, which means that after choosing it, your device will never use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. So it's up to you whether it is useful for you or not. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So just tap on it and okay, and as you can see, we can hear the ringtone, so you can decide whether you like it or not. And after choosing the particular ringtone, make sure that it is marked, like in my case this plucking, and then go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.